When you enter a room, when you enter a house, when you enter, sabi natin mismo yung building natin dito, how do people seeing you experience you? Do they observe you or see you as beaten up or upbeat?
Gentlemen, please give it up for our facilitator this afternoon, no other than Miss Tony Miranda.
Woo! Everyone, let's all stand up and dance with me. Meron na pong music para sa inyo. So today, our image topic, our epic topic, will talk about experience. Okay ba yun? We will learn how to communicate that experience and even receive that experience. And I'm sure you want others to experience you in a way that is inspiring. When I started to see my image as a gift, I now understood na ang dami palang mga hindi truth akong ine-embrace sa buhay. Like, performance is better than purpose, na okay lang kung hindi mag-ayos, nakakota naman. So now, I try to choose which truths to embrace. That I am the walking, talking representation of my image. That my image reflects the condition of my heart. At meron pang isang pinaka-importante, the next word that you see after the truth. What is that? Being a good. That my image is not somebody else's responsibility. I need to be a good steward of my beauty, of my behavior, even my clothing, my shoes. No one will make it look presentable for me. So we do it for ourselves because we are good. We have to work towards your growth. And I love it, no? I love it when our boss mentioned na growth is always important. It's not stopping. And I love it also when John Maxwell said, beyond your best, there's more. Your identity is not defined by others. In fact, the level of confidence that you already have is not defined by others. It is the natural design of you. So whenever you say, tsaka ako nalang gagawin yan, pwedeng ikaw nalang pumunta sa bahay niya kasi foreigner yan, hindi ako confident. Whenever you hear yourself saying that you are not confident, please know that you are declaring something against the real you. Do you agree that we also need to be responsible to adhere to standards? So that somehow we are able to communicate the vision, the purpose, and mission of PLDT, especially yung term na malasakit. Pwede kasi nagmamalasakit tayo, pero iba-iba yung pagpaproject natin ng malasakit. The original you. Because the truth is, you were born with confidence, you were born na ganyan ang features ng mata mo, you were born with ganyan ang kulay mo. Probably, the repetitive words that you heard are the ones you are believing and now making yourself not feel good about the original you. When you now understand who you are, sometimes kasi you want yung how, what, when, why. Hindi ganyan ang image. Natutunan ko yan, what to wear, when to wear, why I should wear it. No. Image is who. Who are you? Who am I? Who are you? Who am I? So when the who is clear, the what, the how, the when is easy. I really encourage you, I don't know what you're going through, but always choose every day to decide to be real. You don't need to create a facade and even live a dual life. Just be real, okay? Why? Sayang panahon ng ating buhay kung hindi tayo real. And always be the beacon of light, the model of PLDT, the message of PLDT through the way you speak, the way you look, the way you behave, because you are PLDT and you need to be proud of that. And the reason why I share you this is I know you have a story. Maybe you are proud of it, maybe you're not. And my past is something that I used to be not proud of because it is just honoring myself. You see, your image will really emanate and reflect the condition of your heart. And I had a bitter heart. I had an ambitious heart. I have a self-centered heart. Why share you this? I'd like you to have hope that whoever you've been before, even prior to this talk, you always have the choice to make it right. However you look before, whether you take for granted your image or not, you always have the choice to be a better person. And I chose to surrender to Jesus as my Lord and Savior, and He made me a better person.
Right? What is that kind of brand that we are projecting outside? Because we know that first impressions last. Do you agree? Yes, first impressions last. And that's key. I mean, yung image natin is key also to building trust and loyalty to our customers.
So again, as May mentioned, we'd like everybody na magkaroon kayo ng 100% engagement dito sa seminar na to. I'm very sure marami tayong mapupulot. Kaya I canceled my meetings this afternoon just to go to attend this seminar.
Thank you very much kay Ma'am Tony and the staff. Doon sa knowledge na natutunan namin about the personality development.
The course was very helpful po, especially for the katulad ko po na from business office po. Malaking tulong po siya for our daily duties po. And I'll make sure that the entire program or course, I'll apply it daily because it's a big help po. Thank you, Miss Tony and team. Thanks, Miss Casey.
Ma'am Tony Miranda, thank you very much for this wonderful, very knowledgeable seminar and experience that we had. I will always remember that the most important person in your life right now, the most important person in your life is the person you are talking to, because you will be able to adjust and give yourself a better professional image on that. Thank you. Hope for more success.
Ayun, so thank you Ma'am Tony for the quality seminar. Siyempre, thank you sa PLDT organized by Ma'am Rose for this opportunity na maka-attend of this kind of seminar. Wherein natutunan namin yung pagiging credible, pagiging reliable, and wherein hindi lang words yung mahalaga, kundi pati yung image. Kasi titignan yung pagiging credibility mo, you must look tall. So, titignan yung pagiging credible mo, hindi lang sa words na sinasabi mo, but through the image. Kasi yun yung magdadala sa na kapanipaniwala yung sinasabi mo.
We would like to thank Ma'am Tony Miranda for this wonderful talk. It really encourages people to really parang improve oneself, kasi yun yung magre-reflect sa characteristics ng bawat leaders. So para mas ma-bring out yung mga kung ano talaga yung potential ng bawat employees under us.
So thank you Ma'am Tony for this wonderful chance na maging part ng training. And sana more training to come. And sana marami pang
matulungan.
Yeah.
Thank you.